Hi, this is Katrina from Archery Pro, and I'm here to explain some safety rules to you today about using the archery range. First of all, you want to make sure that you always stand behind the line behind the shooters. You never want to be in front of them, and you always want to make sure you never approach a shooter while they are on the line. The line actually is going to have two lines on the ground. It'll be a waiting line and a shooting line. You always want to stay on the waiting line when you have shooters on the shooting line. You wait your turn back here, and then when the first row of shooters are done shooting, they will step off the line, and your second line will step up. You're going to have two line commands, which is line up, which means we are now allowed to pick up our equipment and arrow and shoot. This means that the range is free, everyone has come back. And clear means that we're allowed to go get our arrows. That means that everyone's equipment is down, no one is shooting, we can now go get our arrows. Okay, I am now standing on the waiting line. All our shooters are now back. I can now step up to our shooting line, which is here. 1 foot in front of the line always, 1 foot behind. And I'm always going to get in my stance right away. This is going to put me in the proper position so that my arrows are pointed downrange at all times. If I'm standing towards my target, my bow is now pointed towards my left. That means my arrow will now be pointed towards someone, and this could be very dangerous.